The wait is over. Ubuntu 24.04 LTS with the codename Noble Numbat has finally arrived, and Canonical is promising groundbreaking new features with its latest version, and it's ready for a new world of possibilities. From its new installer to software store, I believe this new version is the best yet. First, LTS or long-term support releases are supported for 5 years, and this release is no exception. If you register for Ubuntu Pro, which is free for personal use on 5 computers, you can get support longer until 2034, that's 12 years. Next, the first thing you would notice here is a new simple installer. It's based on Flutter, a programming toolkit by Google. It was introduced in Ubuntu 23.04 last year, and it's finally included in a long-term support release. This installer includes fresh visual enhancements, the ability to automatically install with a YAML file, and more. The installer now defaults to a minimal install, but you can select a full installation for other useful tools. Another system application with a new refresh is the Rebuild App Center, also with Flutter. It is fast and feels completely improved. One of my favorite new features of this store is the rating reviews. A standalone firmware updater tool is also available for hardware firmware updates without requiring the App Center to run in the background. Ubuntu 24.04 also includes many backend updates to packages and services, and 5 caught my attention. It includes the latest version of GNOME 46, Firefox is now Wayland native, Thunderbird 115 is only provided as a snap package, includes the latest Linux kernel version 6.8, and the GNOME Games package is not included, but you can install it with sudo apt install gnome-games. Although Ubuntu 20.04 is supported for another year, and Ubuntu 22.04 for 3 years, I would still recommend the upgrade if your hardware is compatible. I don't think you would want to miss out on the noble new features included in this year's long-term support release. Thanks for watching to the end. If this video helped you, please tell me in the comments, and like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this from me in your subscription feed.